Are you listing your home this spring? As a seller, you'll be making many important decisions, including how much home access to give your potential buyers.
Hi, we're John and Claire Hickey of Delbeck Real Estate. When marketing your home for sale, an important part of the listing process is allowing buyers to see your property. As a general rule, you should give potential buyers enough access to your house to allow them to make an informed decision on the purchase.
Of course, as a seller, you will want as much balance between providing access to your home and protecting your privacy and security as possible. The best practice is to schedule your open houses or private showings with your experienced real estate agent who can vet potential buyers to make sure they're serious about purchasing and not just looky-loo.
Other ways of access include putting a lockbox on the door for licensed real estate agents to come through with their buyers, by appointment only or limited access, meaning only on certain days and times.
Ultimately, the level of access you provide buyers is your personal decision. It will depend upon your individual circumstances and preferences. But if you want to maximize the sale of your home, you do not want to limit potential buyers' access.
If your home is not accessible, it could cost you thousands of dollars by sitting on the market longer. It's always best to discuss with your experienced real estate agent your concerns so they can map out a strategy that works for you.
Contact us today so that we can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. You deserve to get the most money you possibly can from your home investment.
We're John and Claire Hickey of Delbeck Real Estate, and we love guiding you home.